One company I really profiled in the book, however, is Microsoft. And in the study itself, and uh, and just overall, I think Microsoft is example 1A of if you want to have a positive culture renovation, this is how you do it. And we decided, as we do awards today and create new awards, we're going to start giving out a culture renovation award each year to a company that has done just a marvelous job at renovating their culture overall. And so, no surprise, I am thrilled that Microsoft is going to be our first recipient of this award for the awesome job that Satya and his team have done to renovate culture overall. Now, I'm thrilled to have one of the team members on the line. I hope he's on the line at least. And that's a very good friend of mine, Joe Whittinghill. Joe is a corporate vice president of talent, learning, and insights at Microsoft. He's been there 20 years. He has led the team responsible for activating culture and learning, and has been very involved in building world-class leaders inside the organization. Joe has a fascinating background. He has not been in HR all those 20 years. He spent 10 of those years in mergers and acquisitions. The final 6 years, he was the general manager of the venture integration group. So he's got a great business mind and business sense. And if you want to know anything about Montana, ask Joe. He is an expert at Montana. He has also, over the last several years, become a very good friend and just love hanging out with him. So Joe, if you can accept this award on behalf of Microsoft, we'd be so honored. And I think you have.
Kevin, thanks. Can you hear me, Kevin?
I can, yes.
All right. Well, thank you very much. And here is the award that was delivered to my house. You're very COVID friendly there at i4cp. So, and it's actually quite an honor because I know you studied a lot of different companies for your book and some major global players as well as some smaller firms that quite frankly are super exciting. But we're very honored to accept it. And Satya's office is aware, as is Kathleen and the whole HR team. So thanks for the award.